He left to sell cattle, but never came back. For years, his family searched tirelessly, and thinking he died, they even held memorials for him. But 30 years later, he suddenly reappeared, wearing the same exact clothes, and holding the train ticket from the day he went missing. Now, he couldn't remember anything from when he was gone, and insisted that he was home all along. Now, some think he was kidnapped by aliens, while others think the government took him for secret testing, but to this day, no one knows where he was for those 30 years.